welcome to your absolute beautiful blooms. They're absolutely gorgeous. These are your whimsical blooms. Inside there, you've got 2 different style of flowers. So we're going to go ahead and make these up. We're going to do 2 individual ones. We're going to make this one first and then that one second. Both different principles of making them together. So what we've already done is we've stuck 2 of the circular design strips. So we've got a 3-dimensional product when we start to stick 2 together. So let's go ahead and take that back off there and the back of that one. And we're going to sandwich these both together. So hold it in your fingers, like so. Place one over the top of the other and then push it all together and you've got that 3-dimensional stick. Okay, now there's a little disc in there, this one here. This is what your blooms are going to stick round. So what we need to do is we need to take the adhesive and put the glue all the way around it. And this comes in and slides down and you're just going to centralise that to that centre there and hold it down. Now this is the back of your flower where that disc is. So when I turn it over, this is the side that we're going to stick the petals on. Of course you can stick petals on that back side as well and it would give you an all-round bloom, but we're just going to stick them on that front there. Okay, these are your blooms. So you take the petal, you fold it in half, take your adhesive and then you're going to stick one onto the top of the other, so you've got that 3-dimensional petal. So we're going to work our way round and we're going to, come on, let's have you. There we go, I couldn't work out which way around that went then. So that is going to go onto there. And we're going to stick all these individual ones all together. Now I have to say these would look beautiful in different coloured papers. They look amazing inked up, you know, but I've done it all in white so you can see exactly where we're sticking. So bringing that into there. So you can see now how easy and quick these start to come together. Ali, when she was making the samples, she's inked all these individual petals and I have to say they look tremendous, they really do. So last one here and that one is going to go onto there. So we've now got all our little petals, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we've got 2 little leaves there if you want them. So remember to do it on the other side. That's the side where we stuck the disc. We're going to go onto this side and all we're going to do is put our glue around there and we're going to start at the beginning, i.e. the side of the stem. And we're going to take this up to the centre of where that circle is. So working your way around, placing them on. Hold on, let me hold it. I'm trying to do it so that I can actually hold it. You're going to have a lot more time, okay? So you just hold it in there and you're going to work away. And these they've got little arches on the edges, so you can see. And those arches just fit round that circle. And you're going to bring them all the way around, making sure that they're next to each other. All the way around. And you're going to end up with the most beautiful makeshift, and I'm saying makeshift because I mean pretend flower. They're not realistic looking flowers, they're fun flowers, yeah? So let's put the last couple into here. So that one. And then the last one is just going to sit into there. And you've got your little flower. You can put your leaves on the stem as well, but you can back that again, so you can put another tier of flowers on that side. Beautiful. So that's one of the flowers, but you've got 2. This is your other one. Okay, so you need 4 of them again, and we're going to put our glue on there. We're going to match this up So one on that side. If you put it on your mat, you can then really squidge that glue together. So that's one side. Let's do the other. All the way down there. Next one on the top. Level the top up. Stick it on your mat and just give it a good old squidge down there until that sets. And then turn it over. Put in your adhesive on the other side. And then this one just sandwiches on top. So there's the beginning of your flower. It's not hard, it's so easy. And if you get in the additional die set that comes with this, oh my word, you are going to have fun. You really are. So there we've got that lovely stem. Just make sure. Now on the top here, can you see these little uprights? These are what your flower actually sticks on. So you just bring them back. So you've got a platform for that first flower to sit on. Okay, so just bend all those edges. Now take them all back up. Now you've bent them all. Are you going to take this flower here that's got all these little holes in? And you are going to put all those little bits through those little slots. Okay, so if you get two in and hold it down with your finger and then come in the other side and just manipulate it all the way around so all those little slots go into there. You can see that they're all through. Stick your finger in the middle. Okay, take your glue on either side. A bit too much glue there, Jodie. Let's take that off. And then open up your legs and just hold it. As long as you're holding it in the middle, then your other legs won't come out. So do one side, turn it around and do the other side. So you're just working opposite sides, because if you secure both sides, then the others aren't going to come out. So just hold that one. Can we just hold it just a minute for the glue to take? And now we can do the other two. Little bit of glue in there. And then we can open those other two. So that instantly locks that base flower into place. Okay, just holding that into there. And then your stem is actually stuck onto your flower. Okay, so taking its other friends, you've got its other friends in this collection. So all we're going to do is add some 3D foam now. I'm going to stagger the petals, one on top of the other. Just bringing them in, placing that little foam pad right into the middle of those, even down to the little diddy one right in the middle. And then all we need to do is add a foam pad into the center of that one, and then this one goes into the top of there. Now you can shape them, give them a little shape with your craft pick, mold them. But hey, would you like to make flowers? How's your garden grow?